Hello guys, we just made it to Galveston, Texas, and we're staying at the Harbor House, which is right down the street from the port, like 5 minutes away.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I'm just like it good. I don't care if it's, I don't care about that, long as it's good, you know, and have some nice smoke, okay? Don't come with that, where they have boiled it and all of that there. Harbor House.
We're at the Harbor House, room 309. Alrighty. When you walk in, to the right is the bathroom. Nice sink. Beautiful bathroom. Huge shower. And to the left, when you come in, is the closet. Your coffee maker, your ice bucket, beautiful mirror, huge desk. So if you're somebody who needs to work, you have a huge desk. Television, a couple of chairs. This room actually has 2 queen beds. Nice artwork. So not bad. It's huge, it's clean, it smells good. Let's got the view out the window. And it's right down the street from the port, guys. It's like 5 minutes away from the port. Let's see what's in here. Got some shelves, drawers. You got a microwave. And you have a refrigerator. I did not see a safe though. Let's take another look. Yeah, no safe. But it's a beautiful room, nice, clean, spacious room. All right, guys, this is the Harbor House in Galveston, Texas, room 309.